darkest my old friend. I've come to break you again, because the vision so be creeping. If you said while I was sleeping, and the vision that was floating in my dream still remains within the sound of silence. A restless dream that walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, mid the hollow street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and down, when my eyes were stumbling by the blast of a neon light. Split the night with a sound of silence, and a naked light of soul. Thousand people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that our voices never share. No wonder it's called the sound of silence. Also said you don't know, silent like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I made with you, take my arms that I made reach you, but my words like silent raindrops feel and hit you. Silence, the people only pray to Daniel the dismay, and the sign that out his warning, and the words that I was for me, and the sign said that words are built the right one. Of silence.